Neon Wallet app, the pros, the cons. If you're part of the Neo blockchain community, you've probably heard about the Neon Wallet app, a sleek, community-driven wallet that promises simplicity and security for managing Neo assets. But how well does it actually perform? Let's explore the pros and cons, and the one feature most people overlook. Starting with the pros, Neon Wallet stands out for its clean interface and fast setup. It's an open-source wallet built specifically for the Neo ecosystem, allowing you to send, receive and store Neo gas and NIP5 tokens easily. That means no unnecessary clutter or distractions, just to focus on Neo assets. One major advantage is its automatic gas claiming. Every time you hold Neo in your wallet, you generate gas, and Neon lets you claim it directly with a single click. Many wallets skip this feature, making Neon a clear winner for users who want to maximize their rewards. Security-wise, it's a non-custodial wallet, meaning you always control your private keys, and since the code is open source, it's been reviewed by the Neo community, giving users extra confidence in its transparency. But let's talk about the cons. While Neon is optimized for Neo, it doesn't support Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other blockchains. If you hold a diverse portfolio, you'll need additional wallets. Another drawback is its limited mobile functionality. The desktop version is stable, the mobile app can feel slower and occasionally buggy, depending on updates. And finally, the design, while simple, might feel too basic for power users who prefer built-in Diffie, NFA, or cross-chain features. In conclusion, the Neon Wallet app is one of the best tools for dedicated Neo users, fast, secure, and efficient at what it does best. The surprising truth? It doesn't try to compete with multi-chain giants, it simply delivers a streamlined Neo experience that works.